All right, let's consider decantation method. Decantation method can be used in two ways. That is, it can be used to separate two kinds of mixtures. We can use it for solid liquid mixture. And secondly, we use it for liquid liquid mixture. But on one condition, the two liquid must be immiscible. That is, those two liquids must not mix together. I mean two liquids that can't mix together, such as water and kerosene or water and petrol. Let us consider the first case. Now, when we have a mixture of solid and liquid, that is, solid that do not dissolve in the liquid, so we can use decantation method. We allow the solid particles to settle down. A good example of such mixture is the mixture of water and sand. Sand does not dissolve in water. So consider the image of water and sand. The sand has settled down. The process of settling down of the sand is known as sedimentation. So after when the sand particles sediment, we can pour out the liquid into another container. Now the process of pouring away the liquid is known as decantation. So sedimentation and decantation in this case, that is the case of liquid solid mixture, can go together. It means sedimentation involves settling of the solid particles, while decantation involves pouring a liquid out from the container or from the mixture. So now we can talk about the second case, that is liquid-liquid mixture. So when a mixture involves two liquids that are immiscible, such as water and kerosene, also water and petrol, even wet water and oil, whether palm oil or groundnut oil or lubricating oil. All of these different examples are mixture of two immiscible liquids because water cannot mix with any of the mentioned liquid. Water cannot mix with kerosene, it cannot mix with petrol, and similarly, it can't mix with oil. Now, what will happen in this case is that the liquid that has higher density will settle down, while the one that has lower density will be on top, forming two layers. As we can see from the screen, look at the case of kerosene and water. The kerosene will be on top and water will be under because water is much denser than kerosene. Similarly for petrol, water is denser than petrol. Similarly for oil, water is denser than oil. Now, in the decantation process, we'll have to pour away the liquid that is on top before getting the other one that is under. Even though this method is not very, very reliable, it is not perfect because we still have some part of the liquid on top inside the liquid below. So it's not the best method to use. We have many other methods that we can use to ensure proper separation. Thank you.